Today, I'm going to create a simple liner tattoo of a flute and peacock feather. This design is perfect for beginners who want to practice clean line work and basic shading techniques. For this tattoo, I'm using dynamic black ink with a 3-round liner carbon long needle. The machine speed is set at 8 volts, and the stroke length of the needle is 4 mm, which is ideal for crisp and steady lining. This is a completely beginner-friendly tattoo and can be finished in just 15 minutes. The design mainly focuses on simple stroke lines, smooth flow, and a slight whip shading combined with dot work to give a soft finishing touch. Practicing small tattoos like this will help you build confidence and control before moving on to bigger and more detailed designs. Strong basics always create strong tattoo artists. So please watch this short video fully, and don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. I'll be very happy if you subscribe to my channel. For more tattooing tips and beginner training videos, subscribe to Tattoo 18 and stay updated with new videos daily.